Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can translate English to Hindi in Google Sheets. So without further ado, let's go quick into it. So open your Google Sheets. Now let me just quickly type an English word here. Say for example, orange. Let me put this at the center. Then here on the right side, let's type the formula. So there is a Google Translate formula in Google Sheets. Now the formula, just simply follow me. Equal sign. And then Google Translate, just one word. And you will find this one. Simply click on this box. And this will give you the formula. So here we already have the open parenthesis. Now let's type the text. So I have here from B4. So it's B right here and 4. So you should connect that. So if you are on B and then you have here 4, 8. So it could be B8, B10, or A4 or C8. So I have here B4. So let's type B4. And then comma. And then source language. So put open quotation marks and type EN as a shortcut for English. And then close quotation marks. And then comma. And we're going to translate this to Hindi. So our target language is Hindi. So just a shortcut HI. So type open quotation mark HI, close quotation mark, and then close parenthesis. Now this is the formula. And then you just need to hit enter. And there you go. You have just translated it to the Hindi language, as easy as that. So you can simply pause the video to see the formula. So let me try another one. Let's have triangle. Okay. So let's type in here equals Google Translate. And then click on this formula. So this is the formula, Google Translate. Open parenthesis, the text, comma, source language, comma, and then the target language. So we need to put in here. So we have here B6. It's from B. It's in line with B. And then it's in line with 6, number 6. At the horizontal line and on the vertical line. Okay? So it's B6. And then, comma, open quotation mark. Then English as the source language, simply type EN as a shortcut. Close quotation mark, comma, open quotation mark, and then HI for Hindi. And then close quotation mark, and then close parenthesis, and just hit enter. And that's it. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.